the robe and crown. Good Lord, show me the way. Oh, mothers, let's go down, let's go down, come on down, come on, mothers, let's go down, down in the river to.
Okay, we're going to start on little window coverings now. I'm going to do it a little bit different this time. And yes, I did get it in today, but my gimbal, but it's charging. So if you see that big window, so we're going to measure that window. I'm not going to put it all on tape. We're going to measure that window, and we're going to make a window covering for it. Now, what we're going to use is that. And what that is, I know I'm looking rough, innit? Been out hunting all weekend. This is just the way it is, man. I've been camping out in that. I've been hunting all weekend. So, just came in and started working, dudes. Yeah, that, I'll get you down here. That is carpet stuff. Can't even think of the name of it. Carpet padding. Had some left over, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it. And I tried it up onto some windows, and it works pretty doggone good, actually. I mean, even by nature it's gonna insulate. So, you know, it's not good enough. I'm only gonna do just like 1 or 2 windows with this, because that's really all I got. And then I'm gonna get out in the cold and make sure that it works. And I'll finish. That way I don't ruin too much if it doesn't. So there we go. That's what we're gonna do. All right. So, oh yeah. And this is what's gonna be up top. I guess I'll show you when we get doing it. But the strip's gonna go on top. It's gonna be flat. It's gonna be against the window, from the ceiling down. You'll see what I'm doing when I get ready to stick her up there. So I'm not going to waste your time going through all that. Okay, I'm going to get started. This is that. I've got another one, and we're going to do it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you. That. Maybe that. It's E600, whatever it is. It's E600, whatever it is. People told me that was the best glue they ever had in their life. Bar none, fabric, anything. I will let you know about that. Okay? Because you know I'm going to put it through some tests. If there's anything that I do, I put stuff through test. I'm rough on stuff. I'm real rough on stuff. I got to trim my little mustache up, don't I? Yeah, I don't know if I'm a what do you guys think? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to get going. Talk to you in a little bit. Hopefully it's gonna work right. So what I'm hoping for, not that, it's amazing how it wouldn't even move before then. When I go to put that back, it moves right like it's supposed to. Isn't that amazing how that works? Does anybody else have these issues? I have these issues all the time. Of course, if you guys hadn't figured out by now, I am a pretty big dork. I'm sure you have figured it out. It probably turns you off and you won't watch the channel because, well, he's a dork. Yeah, I am a dork. Sure the crap am, buddy. And you know what? God made me this way. Well, probably didn't. I probably just became this way because I ain't all that bright. But, you know, I can't blame everything on God, can I? No. I don't think I better blame anything on God, actually. He's the ones that actually give me the grace and the mercy to make it this far in life. which is, I'm not sure where I'm at, but it has made it. I'm not sure. I'm not trying to be sure. I'm not trying to say I'm sure. At any rate, guys, I probably shouldn't try to be so precise about things. I should probably just give a whole bunch extra on the edges. But what I'm hoping is we have this like here, and this will fit because it's got the lump right here, you know, kind of like, if you can see it, it's like that. But I'm gonna keep, and hopefully it'll just fit right in. Hopefully. Okay, I know a lot of things have been falling or whatever, but that's kind of the finished product. I'm gonna try to get it where I can see it. I gotta let the glue sit for 24 hours, and I'll show you some more at that point tomorrow. Getting all dizzy bending over like that, but so anyway, so I really can't do anything else until that sets. So yeah, I'm stuck for 24 hours. Who knew, huh? Hell. Let me see what we got going here. All right, trying to get this. What's going on? Help. Help. Nope, wrong way. There we go. Whew. It's the new gimbal. I know I'm not supposed to show you that stuff, though. I'm supposed to do it anyway, but you know, whatever. So this is kind of what, well, I bet you guys like that so much better. Whoa, wait, here we go. What? See, when it's facing me, I don't know why it's keep wanting to. Keeps wanting to go back the other way, and I don't know why. Who knows? Woohoo! You probably don't want to sit here and watch this. But anyway, so what I was saying was, I know I gotta get facial. I gotta learn how to do the facial recognition so it follows me, so I don't have to, you know, which is much better. So anyway, this is what we're doing right here. Okay. So this is the whole thing. This is the foam. This is all your blackout and weather stuff that you use. So I taped the edge of it where I'm going to put this thing. It's going to go up on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that right here. See that this is going to go, yeah, that's it. Anyway, so it's going to go right here, and then this is going to go to the wall upstairs, up to the thing. So, or to the ceiling, not the wall, or the cabinet, whichever you want to call it. But anyway, I will. After it's in, of course I'll show you, and it'll make more sense to you. And I will do one that I think, not sure I did or not. But anyway, I'll do another one. We'll see. All right, guys, let me get to this, and then we'll check you in a bit. Okay? All right. Okay. It's probably blowing me out, isn't it? This is bad. Blow out or blow in. So anyway, okay, so this is kind of what we've done here. We got this right here going. You can see where it's screwed in. So yeah, that's how we did it right there. And yeah, so you can see it's like that. And then you can see back here how it covers the windows and it fits right in there. There's Velcro that will be on there. There's some already on there, but yeah, so that's padded. That's got the insulation in it. So I tell you what, I am going to roll it up, and Maybe I'll film a little bit of it being rolled up. Man, I'm just terrible here. Get it rolled up and go from there, okay? And then we'll just go from there. Okay, so you can see what we did, you know, if we can get, I guess I could turn it around, but you know, you see what I'm doing. Yeah, okay, so now I say we can take it down and, you saw it down. Well, let's see what we do here. Where'd it go? Do it like that. And then do it like that. And we, whoops. Do it like that. It folds down. Of course, it will go in behind the mattress. And there we go. And yeah, I mean, we could do something with this, I guess, but it really doesn't, or let me put it this way, these, I could, but, you know, I don't know. We'll see what we do. But that's it. That's how they're gonna work. And, so yeah, I know that light's bright. I just can't get away from any lights. Sorry about that, but, I gotta have lights to see. So anyway, whoop, here we go. I'm getting better at this thing. You have to admit, it's a little bit better than it was. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna roll them back up. I'm gonna get started on the other one. I need to have it done by tomorrow. I really need to have 2 more done by tomorrow. Hopefully, we're gonna get out of here. So anyway, okay guys, we'll see you. Take care.